In this video, we'll learn how to make a chestnut dessert famous in Italy and France, Mont Blanc or Monte Bianco in Italian. This dessert is meant to bring to mind the tallest mountain in the Alps, Mont Blanc. Let's get started. Start by scoring each chestnut horizontally across the belly. We prefer to use kitchen scissors for this job, safer and easier than using a knife. Then, boil the scored chestnuts in water for about 30 minutes, until the chestnuts are soft and can be peeled. In the meantime, let's create a chocolate cookie crumb base. Use any kind of dry cookie to create the base for your Monte Bianco. This is optional, but it's really delicious. We are using chocolate cookies and simply using a rolling pin to turn them into crumbs. Use a food processor to do this if you like. The crumbs should look like sand. Then add melted butter and mix thoroughly. Press the mix into a round if you are making a freestanding dessert like we are. Here we're using a 6-inch round. You can also just follow these same steps to make a Monte Bianco cream pie, in which case you'll press the mix into a small pie pan as you would for any crumb crust. Chill the no-bake crust for 30 minutes. Our chestnuts are now soft, and it's time to peel them and turn them into a delicious filling. The weight impacts the amount of cheese and sugar that you will need. For 500 grams of chestnuts in the shell, we ended up with about 250 grams of chestnut meat. Add the crumbled chestnuts to a pot with sugar, cocoa powder, vanilla, salt, and even a teaspoon of rum if you like. Then add the same amount of milk and weight as the chestnuts. That means 250 grams of whole milk, or about 1 cup. Simmer uncovered over low heat for about 25 minutes, or until the milk has been absorbed. Blend the puree to a smooth creamy paste and cool completely. In the most traditional version of Mont Blanc, the chestnut puree is pushed through a ricer to create a mound that resembles pasta. However, instead we are going to add a bit of mascarpone cheese to create a creamy filling, since not everyone has a ricer. Don't forget to subscribe for free to the Piatto Recipes channel, and click the bell for new video notifications. Time to assemble and watch our Monte Bianco soar. For a freestanding dessert, pipe the chestnut cream into a mountain shape on the cookie crumb crust. For a pie or tart, just fill the pie with the chestnut cream. Now we are adding whipped cream sweetened with sugar to add the snow to our chestnut mountain. Whipped cream with this proportion of sugar is called chantilly cream. For a pie, add the whipped cream as you like, with more or less flair. And the final decorative touch? Some cocoa powder and thick chocolate shavings, a celebration of the mountains where sweet chestnuts are abundant. A beautiful yet easy showstopper Italian dessert for any special occasion. Did you enjoy this video? Give it a thumbs up! And let us know what other recipes you'd like to see in the comments. E buon appetito!